Good morning, class. Good morning, students. The chapter Battling Boots is going on these days, and in this chapter, we have read that two friends are there. One is Kuttan and another is Swaminathan, and the name of the friends are Kuttan and Sukumaran. They both are selling the things in the market, but later on they decided that we should go to the place where the boats are standing, because the next day the boat race was there and it is Kuttan who is going to participate in the race. There are two boats and the name of the boats are Karichal 1 and Karichal 2. So Kuttan father is the captain of boat Karichal 1. So he was very much excited and he wanted to help his father to decorate the boat. So he was very much excited also. So in the excitement, they both were moving here and there in the water. Then suddenly they came to know that some people were coming near the boats where the boats were standing. The two identical boats, Karichal 1 and Karichal 2, they were standing at the shore, and some people they came to the boat. And then they also came to know that these two people were there, they want to harm the boat. Means they were creating some problem in the boat, because the next day boat race was there. Then later on, Sukarman and Kuttan came to know that it was the boy Keshwan who was doing all this. And we are going to start this page. Let us see, up to here we have read. Now this page we are doing. The two friends Sukarman and Kuttan started at one another in amazement. It's Keshwan and his brother, Kuttan gasped. Means Keshwan and his brother were there and they were making a harm in the boat. What were they up to? Sukarman asked. I think I know exactly what they were doing. Come on, let's go and see. Kuttan paddled grimly up to the boat. They climbed onto Karichal 1. Kuttan bent low and exclaimed the sides of the boat. Straightening up after a while, he told Sukarman, it's exactly as I had thought. Keshwan has made lots of holes at the bottom of both sides of the boat. He stuffed them with cork so that no one will see till it's too late. Means what Swaminathan has done, he had made holes in the bottom of the boat and fitted cork in them. And when the boat will be in the water, later on the person will came to know that the holes are there in the boat. What do you mean? The sides have been cleverly greased, so these corks will start popping open when the boat goes very fast. By then, we shall be in the middle of the lake. What can we do? Whispered Sukarman, frightened. Sukarman was very much afraid, and now he was thinking, what should be done? Let's go home. We shall decide what to do after I tell Achan. Achan means father. The two boys paddled silently home to the coconut grove where they lived. Even though they had discovered the sabotage, was there time to repair the damaged boat before the morning race. After their evening meal was over, The boy sat swinging on the sheet slung. Next page. Between two coconut trees. Vasu, Kuttan, younger brother, sat nearly on the rough grass. In urgent whisper, keeping wary eye on Amma, Kuttan told him what they had discovered on Achan's boat. Oh, that horrible Keshwan, Vasu exclaimed. Asu exclaimed that what the boy has done. Shh, speak softly, Kuttan frowned. We don't want to upset Amma. Means we don't want to tell anything to Amma because Amma will be upset when she came to know that what is there. As Amma went in, Kuttan suddenly jumped off the swing, tumbling Sukarman onto the ground. I have thought of a plan. It will work. I'm sure it will. Come on. Hurry up. Let's go. Excitedly, he yanked his friends up by the hand. Means both the friends, they were very much excited because they have thought a plan and they were very much excited to act upon that plan. Rubbing his shoulders where it had banged on the hard ground, Sukarman scowled. It had better be good. Listen, this is my idea. Kuttan is going to tell his idea to Sukarman and the boy. Who is the boy? One more. Small boy, Vasu. 20 minutes later, the three boys set off at a fast pace. Means moving fast. Vasu held aloft their lamp to show them the path through the thick jungle of undergrowth and trees. Means all the three boys are going. Where they are going? They are going to the place where the boats are standing. Reaching the place where the churlans were moored, Kuttan turned to his brother. Vasu, you climb that coconut tree and keep a sharp lookout. Whistle once if you see anyone coming here from any direction, he ordered. So he ordered Vasu that you have to keep a watch. If anybody is coming to the place, he had to make a whistle. Watch out for Keshwan and Uni. That might come back to do more damage, Sukarman said. But I also want to help you on the boats, Vasu protested. Vasu said that I also want to help you in the boat. Oh, all right. With the agility of a monkey, Vasu climbed the tree in seconds, and I can see very well from here. Now Kuttan was up early in the morning, just as the crowd started streaming into the canal threaded town of Alleppey. Thousands and thousands of festive people poured in. The men in white shirts, the women in bright flowered lungis, and full skirts in scarlet, cerulean blue, and flaring orange. Kuttan's father walked in just as Kuttan had finished tying his grip and dhoti. Kuttan hesitated for a moment, deciding whether he tell his secret to Achan. No, he decided, I won't tell him. He took his place in the boat with a feeling of great importance. Now the race is going to start. See, the boats are there in the water. Suddenly, Kuttran stopped his daydreaming. Oh, we are going to start. The crackers sparkled in the air. This was the sign that the boat race was about to start. So, up to here we are doing today, and tomorrow we shall continue.